Hey guys, it's Jazz here, and I'm gonna be teaching you something that is pretty cool, and I learned it from a friend, not really, but yeah, I kind of learned it from him. Make sure to check out his channel, and yeah, let's roll. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to hack any game. I'm gonna go into Google. Sorry about this. I had to reset my phone because there wasn't enough storage. So yeah. So it's about this. I'm really sorry. No. Alright, fine. Whatever. Just bloody. Anyway, yeah. Google. You're gonna search for this. Let me just remember. Sorry guys. You're gonna put. It can be any game. It doesn't have to be Subway Surfers. It could be Clash Royale, any other game. Just at the end, always put a game and put Android one, and then you're gonna search that. Click on the first one. Always, yes, this first one. And yeah, let's just. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that now. I know that just randomly happened. Anyway, Subway Surfers Android 1. Search that. Click search the thing, or if you're on a computer, press enter. Sorry about my phone if it's a bit slow. It's probably my internet because I've got Virgin Media. I think I'm probably gonna get BT or either Sky. Put down in the comments which one you think is the best out of them two. Talk is crap. We've had that in our old house. By the way, we moved house, and yeah. Anyway, back to this. Once you get to this point, you're gonna click the download button. It doesn't work. And then don't worry about the ad. You don't need to press the X. You just press this. Countdown thing will happen. I'm gonna click download. And yeah, started. This thing comes up anyway. I don't know why, but oh yeah, because I've reset my phone, I'm gonna need to do something on settings. Which is go to settings. Let's do it this way. I'll click settings. Here we go, settings. Go into security. Unknown sources. Yeah, I need to click that because it's not from it's not an app from Google Play. So yeah. In the meantime, while it downloads, here we are. It's downloading. 0%, 1%. There we go. It's probably gonna download, but yeah, you're gonna click. Well, you don't have to, but I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna set a password. Let's see. Show just not strong. So guys, I'm just gonna create a pattern, and yeah. Holy crap! Wait, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be a G for Grand Theft Auto. My backup pin is gonna be 9999999999999. Here we are. I'm done. Make pattern visual. Here we are. Then, sorry, after it's done, you're gonna click on it. And then just install it, I guess. So, that's the end of this video, and in the next video, I'm gonna be doing some gameplay of it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.